and welcome to another video of how to use Mobilock Pro on your iOS devices. In this video, we will cover the devices section or the device inventory view. When you log into the dashboard, the first page that you go to is the devices page. If you want to navigate to devices page at any point of time, click on the devices tab. By default, the view that you see is of a grid view, that is this kind of view, which gives you a snapshot of the device. If you have more devices, you can choose a list view so that you can see more devices in the screen. Both of these views offer you a quick snapshot of the device. The first one gives you the status of the device. The green icon with locked text means currently the device is locked with Mobilock and all the profiles and settings are applied on the device. A gray logged icon would mean that the device is inactive, indicating that we are no longer able to communicate with the device. This may be because the device does not have internet. A red unlocked icon would indicate that currently the device is not locked and the policies are relaxed. That means the device is still being managed by Mobilock, but currently it's in the unlocked state. You might also see an icon of a recycle bin here. That would mean that the user has removed the management from the device and the device is no longer being managed by Mobilock. This screen also shows you the name of the device, the group that it is associated with, the last seen time. The last seen time depends upon the ping that the Mobilock dashboard sends to your device. Currently, this time is at 5 minutes and this is not configurable. In a future release, we want to make this configurable. Now, if the device is inactive for a certain amount of time, we mark the device inactive. It also shows you the IMEI number of the device. You can click on the device listing to see more details about the device. Let me go ahead and click on the device. It will take you to a page where it gives you more information specific to that device. Here, you can see the basic information about the device, the locations of the device, and the snapshot of the device. Let's start with the information card that is shown on the left-hand side. This gives you the information about the device, like the device name, the last time Mobilock dashboard was able to communicate with the device. The icon indicates that it is locked, unlocked, inactive, or Mobilock management has been removed. Additionally, if Mobilock management has been removed, you would see a message on top of the information card. The information card itself contains the basic information about the device, like the model and firmware, the battery percentage left, whether the device is supervised or not, the Wi-Fi MAC address of the device, the IMEI number of the device, and the OS version of the device. It also tells you if the Mobilock Pro version has been installed on the device or not. The Mobilock Pro app is an add-on app that gives you the flexibility to send messages to the device, push content from the dashboard, and collect locations on the device. If the Mobilock Pro version is installed, then you would see the locations on the right hand side. Now, moving on to the device view, the default view that you see is the logged view of the device. That is, if the device is locked, what are the apps that were allowed in profile, plus the third-party apps or the enterprise apps that have been actually installed on the device, and the browser shortcuts. To switch to the All Apps view, you can click on this icon. This shows you all the third-party apps that are installed on the device. Currently, it does not tell you whether each of them is managed or not. It just tells you the third-party apps that are installed. If you think and want to sync the device apps that are there currently on the device, you can click on Sync Device Apps. You can also perform quick actions like removing from the device profile or the group. If you want to see more information about the device, you can click on the gear icon and select Full Device Information. This gives you various information about the device. Now, there are certain options that you can perform at a device level. Click on the gear icon. Unlock would relax all the policies on the device and the user would be able to use it like a normal device. But this will not remove the device from management. That means you can lock it back at any point of time. You can select refresh if you think your device is out of sync with the dashboard. That is, if the policies are not applied. A refresh sends a push to the device with all the latest policies. You can add notes to this device that you can refer to it later. You can send message to the device if the Mobilock Pro client is installed. You can add the device to a group from this point of time. You can mark the device as lost. Once the device is marked as lost, the device is locked and it displays a permanent lost screen. And once you have marked the device lost, you can choose further to play a sound. Let me just mark it as a lost. Once the device is marked lost, you can refresh the page. If the command succeeded on the device, then you would see the options for the actual player sound and the location part. I think the device is currently not connected. Let me move on to the reboot device part, which would just reboot the device. The factory reset would factory reset the device. The delete device would actually delete the device from your dashboard, and it would also remove the management from the device. After deleting a device, you can no longer control the device. I'm just going to devices to show you that this is the view of list of devices. Clicking on a device gives you the complete details. Now, as you can see, the lost mode has been enabled. Now, when you're in lost mode, we start collecting location every 15 minutes. It gives you the location where the device is located at this point of time. From this point, you can play a sound or unmark the device as lost if you have found the device. Hope this gives you information about the device's inventory view. Thank you.